morning, Brother Alexis Bonaventura, fellow truther, especially Christian, saints and set aparts of the Most High God, fellow TI also, targeted individual. It is now December 7, 2023, past 5 a.m. Just want to document this because I'm so grateful, thankful I'll be able to work out again. And again, my shirt, please read it. Scamdemic, Bakulam 666, free detox. Ask me how. The detoxification for those toxic Bakulam. You know what I mean. I cannot say it within this video because my account might be deleted, my YouTube and Facebook account. That's it. Thanks be to God. I love you all.